Well, good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Seattle Science Foundation's Washington State Orthopedic Association meeting, our monthly gathering, this time from Tacoma. My name is Jens Chapman, and I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon here at Swedish in Seattle. And tonight's program was put together by our former president, Dr. Nick Ryacek, and he's going to talk about life in the orthopedic workforce in Tacoma with a very interesting perspective. We have a great program for you from him, and particularly in regards to the last programs, we talked about the difficulties of independent orthopedic surgeons. We thought it would be a great opportunity to talk about life as an employed surgeon, and that's again Dr. Ryacek's great thing. I want you to know he's coming to us with an injury, and he's recovering from his orthopedic injury. So despite his injury, he's going to present. We have a very important legislative update as the session 2021, the spring session is closed. Mr. Sean Graham is our very important eyes and ears and voice on the Hill. And if anything has been gathered from the recent meetings that we've had, which I hope you have either seen live or will join us with on SSF TV's files, it is very important that we become politically more organized and interact and communicate with one another so we can make our voices and our concerns for our patients and the well-being of our citizens better understood. A much overlooked topic is that of orthopedic fragility fractures. And this is a really big deal in our workforce. The AOA has tried to do something called Own the Bone. And we may argue about the successes or not of that, but what is really important is the realization that if we don't really own the bone and take a leadership, our increasingly aging and sick population will suffer. Our past president, Dr. Alan Greenwald, has a terrific lecture, a briefing on what really should we look for in our daily practices, whatever our subspecialties are, to make a positive difference. And we'll have some great follow-up lectures on that in the future, but this is a very important building stone. And talking about difficult and important subjects, Dr. Pooja Prabhakar is a R2 from UW, and she's going to bring a very important topic to us as our workforce has really not been a reflection of our changing society. So I really look forward also to her lecture. We have a great program, and I want to get out of the way so that our first lecturer, Dr. Nick Ryacek, can take us into the perspective of Tacoma. Welcome, Nick, and welcome to all the speakers, and thank you all for attending.